Hi, good afternoon. I am Chef Alyson Zildjian and welcome to my kitchen here at 6986 Beneva Road, right on the corner of Gulf Gate and Beneva Drive. I'm excited today because we are doing a wonderful summer shrimp and scampi recipe with zoodles. So it's keto friendly, it's light, it's fresh, it's quick and healthy, and you can definitely do it at home. Today we are going to do a zoodle with some zucchini, some summer squash, and some roasted red pepper to throw in a little bit of a color. And we're going to make a scampi sauce. And you see I've got some beautiful jumbo shrimp here. So the first thing you want to do is get all your ingredients together, which is I always tell you called our mise en place. And we started with the zucchini. So I already got some zoodles going. By the way, you can get this from us this week on our chef prepared meals. We are doing it with just the zucchini, but today I just thought I'd show you a little variation. So I've got my zoodler here, my spiraler, and we just are spiraling out some of the summer squash. I always like color in the food that I eat because I think people eat with their eyes. So you see we've got some beautiful zucchini and summer squash mix. Okay, so now we're gonna go over to the stove and make our sauce. What I have here to make the sauce, very simple ingredients. We have some butter, fresh garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper with a little bit of red pepper flakes. I have a cup of white wine and a quarter cup of lemon juice. This is a fresh squeezed lemon juice. And all of this is gonna be enough for about 4 to 6 people. So let's go on over to the stove. Just gonna get our butter melted. Now, like I said, this sauce is gonna be enough to feed about 4 to 6 people. We have this on a medium-high heat so that our butter melts nicely. I'm gonna add just a couple tablespoons of oil. We don't need all that oil. And I'm gonna put in about a tablespoon and a half of garlic. This melts down really nicely. Got a little bit of a boil to it. Then I'm going to add our white wine. And the lemon juice. And you want this to reduce for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, see how we got a nice boil, it's reducing. Put a little bit of salt, white pepper. This is a very nice wild Argentine shrimp. Only takes about 3 or 4 minutes to cook up. And then we're going to add the zoodles. And I'm going to add some of the red pepper for some color. So we heat the zoodles all the way through. It takes about 2 minutes. And then I'm going to make sure that my shrimp is cooked. The shrimp looks good. And now I'm going to plate. Oh, it smells so good. Delish. So I'm going to put my zoodles down. You can even cut these up too. They're very long. And we'll plate our shrimp. And then I got one last touch I need to do. I'm going to chiffonade some basil for you. And put a little bit of the basil garnish on there. And voila. Now we have our beautiful shrimp scampi with zoodles. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Chef Alyson Zildjian from Zildjian Catering. I hope you enjoyed your shrimp scampi with zoodles. Thank you, Channel 7, for having us. We look forward to seeing you at 6986 Beneva Road, and have a great day.